It's very good. Creamy with soy milk is the best. Hi, welcome to GreenMangoes. Today we're going to be making Dalgona coffee. This is a very creamy coffee that has been floating all over on the internet, on YouTube and everywhere, and I was like, I'll give it a try, and I tried it and I love it. So I would like to share it with you guys today. The ingredients that we're gonna need for this recipe are instant coffee. I like 100% Arabica coffee, so this is the best coffee. Sugar, hot water, and I like soy milk, but any kind of milk up to your preference, and some ice if you like, but you don't have to have it. Again, it's depending on what you like, and I like ice in my drink. Alrighty, let's get started. So this is a 1-to-1 ratio ingredient. It's very, very simple. I use this measuring cup from medicine cup. So just a spoon to scoop out the coffee. See the pig there? Alright, so now you just have to transfer it to the cup. We're gonna put some ice in the cup. So now we're gonna add some ice to the cup. Just a little bit. Tends to go over. And then that's soy milk. this. It's very, very nice and creamy looking here. It's very good. The coffee is kind of strong, so if you don't like too strong, you can do instead of a full cup, you can do half a cup. You know, like a 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of hot water. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, and if you like it stronger, just add more. So, but for me, I like strong coffee, so this is really good. Please give it a try. I think you'll love it. Yes, enjoy.